So over the last 10 years, I've been building print farms, and the conclusion I've gotten from all of that is that they suck. The typical print farm is like 10 or 50 machines that people build in order to make 100 to 1,000 parts per month or so. But the issue is that people don't make the parts. You end up spending so much time working on the machines. You're changing out filament at 2 in the morning. You have some engineer who is paid $100 an hour fixing it and working on it and tuning the parts. And what people generally find out is that operating a 3D printer is not push and play. You have to actually maintain them and operate them. Prepare files, tweak slicer settings for different materials, continuously iterate and move through all kinds of different ways of making these things do what you need them to do for your business. And you don't have time for that. The job of any manufacturer, any product creator, is to create the product, not to be messing around with the ways the product are made. You want the parts, you don't really care how it's made, and it would be great if you didn't have to deal with all of this. But I understand why 3D printers are so alluring. They are a magic box where the parts you need come out when you need them. But the issue is that they're not truly magic. You have to start them, you have to feed them, you have to maintain them. You have to do all this other stuff that ends up making the part cost 50 cents of PLA, but you have so much extra time, effort, stress, and obligation attached to them that they end up being more expensive than other options. But better when you're trying to make 100 to 1,000 parts than other options like carving it into a mold, which could be more expensive and way less flexible. But what if you could get that magic box without having to own the printer? You could just get your parts as you need them. That's what we're releasing today. So I'd like to introduce you to the Slant Box, which does just give you your parts when you need them. All right, so what is a slant box and how does it work? Very simply, a slant box is a box that just never runs out of parts. This is how you get it set up. You can go to the website and you upload a 3D model. That model is instantly quoted what it'll cost to make per part and how many parts will fit inside of one of these slant boxes. You'll then get one of these boxes filled up with your parts on the first order. Then as you use them up, you go ahead and pull a part out and you use it, take it over there. And each time you pull a part out, we track how much inventory you have remaining. As those parts are used up, we'll keep track of that. And when you hit a certain threshold where you're so low that, oh, you're gonna run out in the next 5 to 7 days, we will automatically send you an email that says, hey, you're about to run out. Do you want this box refilled? You tap that button and then hundreds of machines will fire up, grow those parts in 5 business days and ship them straight to you, so that box never goes empty. This is the big thing. This is a box that never goes empty and is so easy to get filled up. You no longer have to operate anything. You no longer have to deal with anything. You just get your parts when you need them. And not only are you getting the parts, but you are getting an inventory management system. You can stack these on the shelf. You can stack them at individual workstations. You can place them around your factory as you need them, or just build a wall to replace where you used to have a stack of printers continuously creating poop that you had to clean up. This is the magic of Slant Box. You have a box that never runs out and only has the parts you need when you need them, but you also get the software and the hardware to manage your inventory so you're not constantly guessing, do we need more parts or not? It all takes care of that for you as well. This is a huge unlock because it allows businesses to finally focus on their business. Rather than changing out filament at 2 in the morning, they are able to just grab their parts and build their assembly. You are able to help your customers out, spend time designing new and better products, or doing the final assembly if you need that kind of stuff, so that your factory can operate on the things that you do uniquely well, and you don't have to deal with all this other shenanigans, which is just another thing to have to deal with if you're already trying to get parts out the door. And there are a lot of situations where this is true. Imagine you're just a small manufacturer with like a PCB box. You have a lid and a base that are 3D printed, and you need to put in heat inserts and then put the PCB in there and assemble it all. You could have somebody who you pay $200 an hour running printers knocking out those enclosures, because you certainly don't want to make a mold for that. Let's not be stupid about this. But you now have a very expensive base enclosure, and that person not only operating machines, but they're not improving the engineering or working on extra stuff. Instead, you can get a slant box, the lid and the base shows up, and as your assembly team are pulling parts, inventory is constantly replenished. So whether you're making 50 in a month or 1,000 in a month, you always have the parts you need, and no one ever has to spend a late night trying to get ahead because you have all this infrastructure behind you. But it works at a smaller level too. You could be just a weekend fidget dinosaur seller, and you're tired of operating the printer all the time and cleaning it up, and maybe you want to go on vacation with the kid, but still do that show this weekend and have inventory. You can order up a Slant Box, and then it will show up with a couple hundred of fidget dinosaur toys inside of there, and you can pull them out and sell them over the weekend, and then have this refilled again the following week. And you never had to buy an expensive machine to get it. You're able to get all of those dinosaurs without the labor and at a fraction of the cost of building a print farm. And that is a giant unlock also. You do not have to expand your print farm. 3D printers are prototyping tools that have been designed to make one-offs and fun at-home toys and that kind of stuff. But if you're having to operate them in production, it's a completely different beast that these machines were never designed to do. So if you're running a print farm, you can now focus on what these are meant for, which is prototyping and iterating. And then when you want to scale up, you can get a Slant Box that just makes you hundreds of parts as you need them. And the fact that the print farm is no longer necessary gets me the most excited, because now people who know nothing about 3D printing can take advantage of printed parts. You can design faster, you can iterate on your designs. You don't have to buy molds. But up until this point, you had to build a print farm to do it. You had to have somebody who's established and knows everything to run this, and it's expensive, and those people are expensive. But now you can just get the parts. So you might be a music store that wants to add phone stands into your inventory, but you don't know anything about 3D printers. You might be an established manufacturer that wants to keep tooling and jigs and that kind of thing easy to grab, but you don't want your lead engineer changing filament out all the time because they should be doing other things. Now you can just upload the model and get the stock that you need. And you don't have to know anything about how 3D printing works. You just have to know what model you need. This unlocks 3D printing at scale for so many more businesses in a way that it was never possible before. And not only is the system faster, cheaper, and more reliable than building your own print farm, the reason for that is that it's backed up by hundreds to thousands of 3D printers that have already made millions of parts by some of the leading experts in the field of mass production 3D printing. Slant 3D has a team that has been working on mass production printing for over 10 years. And we have made millions of parts, from people selling one at a time on Etsy all the way up to items that go into Walmart. We know how to make the parts, and you get access to that expertise, that scale, and that workflow, all with being able to manage your inventory better and just get the parts you need when you need them. Or you can go ahead and do it yourself and build all of that from scratch with somebody else's machine that could be bricked tomorrow if a law changes or the software moves. And this is so enabling because there's no minimum volumes attached to it. You could still be the Etsy seller who only needs 20 parts a week or so. You can use a Slant Box, but maybe you're an industrial manufacturer who moves 10,000 parts through. The Slant Box can still do that as well. So this is a very scalable system that gives you full control of your final parts and allows you to do additional assembly, get the parts you need, put them into your existing infrastructure wherever you need them to be, and not have to worry about operating a print farm. Right now, we have already been using Slant Box with a number of our clients, and they're going out there. There is a wait list down below to get signed up for new users, and we are cranking through getting more people onboarded just as fast as we possibly can. So sign up at the link down below, and we will go ahead and talk to you here in the next week or so. We're really excited about what this will enable businesses to do all over the United States to both reshore manufacturing and get the parts that you need when you need them, because it's been so difficult for so long. And now, rather than having to go reorder every time you need more, or run your own print farm, or do some sort of DIY situation, you can just buy boxes up and stack them in a way that was never possible before. But those boxes will always be full, and they will always have the parts that you need made the way you need them to be made without you having to worry about it, so you can go do something else that grows your business. Have a great day, everybody.